You. Did you really think you could outsmart me? Come on, I've been here practically my entire life. I know this place like the back of my hand. Oh, well that's new. I don't know what it takes to remove something like that. But I'm not here talking about my hands right now. I'm here talking about you. Now, I believe that you tried to make off with one of my hunts. Would you mind handing it over? I'm a hungry snake. Come on, give it to me. Don't make me use my power again. Thank you. I'm like a good old badger after a hard day's work. Why are you still here? Are you hungry too? Well, lastly, that's too bad. There's not enough food here for 2 peons. Or is there only one? 'Cause you're the human. You don't have any powers, no claws, or venom. You don't have anything going for you. Aside from weaponry, which I'm guessing is what the bow and arrow and dagger are for. I can let that go. But on to the task at hand. What were you doing in my forest? You were just hunting? Didn't you know this place? This is my domain. I marked it. It's mine. Okay, let's try this one more time. I'm Mambalina, but my friends call me Amber, so you can call me that. Where did I come from? Here. Did I not just tell you? Yeah. My magic's from the Terra Kingdom. So? Look, I grew up in city life with the other snakes and chose to abandon it altogether. I just got bored and I decided that a life here would be better than stinky royals and rats. I hate rats. They make my stomach gurgle. And don't get me started on muskrats or whatever those little, like, what do you call those little creatures? You know, with the really bushy tail that looks really stupid when they're pregnant. A chipmunk. That's what they're called. Okay, thank you. I hate those things. Ever since I was a hatchling, I've had to eat them. It was awful. Well, I guess they're like what zebra cakes and stuff are to you humans. It's really good when you're a hatchling, but when you grow up, it's just... Ugh. No one likes that. So what's your deal? Exiled? Oh, wait. I think I know. You are going to propose to your girlfriend after you bring her the head of a mighty beast. Wait. Are you here for my head? No, that's stupid. Because if you were, you would have shot at me. Not like you really are much of a match. I have magic. I have muscles for days. You don't stand a chance. No, that's not a bluff. I'm being completely serious. Oh, sure. Huh? Oh. You're the same? You got tired of other humans and tried to find a nice place to call home? Well, why didn't you say so? I would have. Well, there's not a lot of food around here anymore, which is why I am not really where I usually am. So, I'd have to move eventually, because I'll starve out here. You humans keep taking all the food. That's the problem. Yeah. You humans, why aren't you herbivores or something? Then again, I'm sure some of you claim to be herbivores, and you're unbearably annoying. I've seen the human village like once. Did not like it. No. Humans are weird. You always say to each other, oh man, if we had different powers and like mutations, it would be incredible. Humans can't even handle when another human has a different skin color or something. It's the dumbest thing. Must be why you chased off the Okami. It's 'cause you can't stand anything that doesn't look like you. But we're not here talking about racism. Do you, okay. I understand that we've gotten off at kind of an awkward start, but you know what? You got guts and bones and blood. I'm gonna eat ya. No, I'm not serious. Just a little Lamia humor. Yeah, I've only eaten like one human. No, I actually have. It was a weird old guy that claimed that I was tainted. Kept spewing about this lady, something about the White Order. Very nutty fella. He did not even taste good. The best way I can describe him is like dumping an entire ashtray in your mouth. That's what he tasted like. Not something I would eat again. So anyways, would you be interested in partnering up with me? I mean, we're both solitary creatures in the forest that'll probably have no food eventually. And come on, I have powers and muscles. I have a freaking tail. And you've got weaponry, but nothing to watch your back. So maybe take me along. And we'll be flying high before you know it. Can we fly? Can humans fly? 'Cause I can't fly. I wish I could. I would be the greatest freaking Lamia ever. Come on, what do you say? You wanna partner up? Come on. Is this how humans do things? Handshake? Yay! You just wait now. You come with me. I'll show you where the best food can be found. If it's still there. I don't even remember how many I took. But hey, do you like shells? These little shell creatures that you sometimes find in the ocean? Mm-hmm. The forest, if you go a certain way, you can actually find the ocean. Hmm? I've actually tried to be in the ocean. I've lasted a full 20 minutes. It was painful. I don't recommend doing it. But I got some good things. Lamia like fish and other things. Maybe I should move closer to the sea? But anyways, you're my friend now. We're having some red flounder later.